So Alien, work with musicians, don't disrespect them. I didn't like the way you did at the airport. Omuntu yimirira yogera nedda kikabiri otambula ogende. If you don't want to talk to journalists, let your managers do that. You don't have to keep on talking. Alien Skin funa manager. Oyogedde nnyo n'ebitasaana. Sigira. Okay, tukimanyi fame ya kutomera. You were not prepared for it, but okay, we have heard from you, Alien. Because every day you have a TikTok live. Sibe batu baserebu webeisa. You'll end up degrading the name of TikToker Gaza. If you have a brand and you're a celebrity, or you never interview, you know, kuchosambula, like it or not. Kubanga erinyo sobola dikolera omwaka gumu ne ligwa. Banji. N'emyezi munnange. Nga buli wojja kulabaga ayo talina kyagenda kwogera. Osegira, so Alien Skin, my brother. It's not right for you to disrespect the journalists at your infant stage. Kwa cho chali mu infancy. Enemu nganzi bujango otwebuze ko fa babadde n'amanya for long. Kanze Junior Nazali bwandi celebrity. Even at school, people could recognize me, but how have we protected our names? Abantu basokerega aka Junior kajja kugwa. Junior tajja kumala ko mwaka. Wendi myaka ena down the road. Bajja ne bandekawo nze nkyako opitingira views. Nira kakati bakabata. Be bakole nnyo every day na kyagambe ensi. Nze Junior